Say this is a survey vessel and here is my COG or center of rotation of the vessel. I am installing my GNSS antenna there and echo sounder starboard aft. In the second vessel, I am shifting the whole setup a little forward. Now let's observe the simple yaw or heading change effect. On the left vessel, the antenna is not moving much as this is the center of rotation. On the right vessel, the whole setup is moving. Now the GNSS antenna knows where it is on the vessel, but the echo sounder has no idea where it is. We have not done anything to tie the echo sounder with position. Even if it is tied to the GPS antenna, the echo sounder has no way of knowing how the vessel is moving and changing direction. So what should you do? What will be your first course of action after arriving at the survey vessel? Hi, I'm Avijit. In this channel, I discuss everything you need to know for offshore surveying. I feel good in educating the new surveyors with simplified educational videos. If this is something you are looking for, welcome to my channel. Please watch till the end and leave a like and comment below. So as soon as you arrive on the vessel, you should set up your GNSS antenna and all other sensors in appropriate place. Then establish a CRP or common reference point on the deck. This can be anywhere as per your convenience. Start measuring vessel shape from the CRP and tie up back at the CRP. Now you have a nice 2D shape of the vessel. Next, you must measure and establish the sensor's offset point. The offset has to be measured in X, Y and Z with reference to the CRP. As a side note, you can later change your CRP to any other desired offset point. But remember, that will change the offset measurement of all the offsets as the origin point changes. Let's go for survey. As you see, the vessel moves in 3 dimensions. It changes direction and rolls from side to side, and this will create a mismatch in the offsets as you can see from this animation. To visualize the problem clearly, let's see the vessel from the bow where the vessel is rolling from one side to another. You can see how much the GNSS antenna and echo sounder is moving. Let's now see the vessel from starboard side as it pitches up and down. Now all these motions are combined when the vessel is surveying. And as the sensors are at different places, the first problem is to tie them together so that they all know what direction the entire vessel is rotating. That's the first and foremost thing. We need to be able to calculate the angle of rotation. And what can you give me an angle of rotation of the vessel? Gyro compass, right? So you need a gyro compass in the boat aligned with the vessel's bow and stern line, or you can say in this case the y-axis of the vessel. But then the gyro compass cannot solve the angle change when the vessel is rolling from side to side or pitching up and down. And that's where you will require a motion sensor which can calculate this roll and pitch angle as well as yaw and heading angle. Remember, this motion sensor does require gyro compass input. In these 2 videos, I have discussed about setting up the motion sensor and everything you need to know about gyro compass. Do see them after this video. Leave a comment and thumbs up for my effort at PowerPoint animation. If you are a member of my channel, you can have this presentation if you want. Stay curious and I will be around.